In today's video, we are going to see how you can craft beautiful graphic designs for your social media posts without just having the knowledge of Adobe Premiere Pro or any pro softwares like that. You don't need any skills of Photoshop or any other stuffs like that. Today, I am going to cover a tool in which there are thousands of templates which you can just go choose a template and just edit the text of that, and you can upload that on your social media post. Also, if you don't have any knowledge of graphic designing, you can design attractive and eye-catchy social media posts which will get eyeballs to you. If you don't have any knowledge of all the pro softwares, straight in the end, this video is for you. And to stay updated for the latest trends in digital marketing and to learn digital marketing, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload the video, you will get the notification. For showing the practical demonstration, we need to go on my laptop screen. So let's dive into my laptop screen.
Alright guys, the tool which we are going to see is canva.com. Yeah, so this is the tool which we are going to cover today, and in this tool you can make a lot of posts and a lot of Instagram posts, a lot of Instagram story logos. You can make presentations, flyers, animated social media posts, then videos, photo collage, then cards, resumes, business cards. There are many other stuffs like that. You can also make certificate, but don't make any duplicate certificate here. Yeah, so I'll also show you. You can also go on these templates here, and you can see here you can create Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post, LinkedIn banner, YouTube channel art. Just look into all these features and just play around with this tool. You can also create some uh, amazing stuffs here. So now today in this video we are going to design this videos YouTube cover picture. So I'll show you how it is. Just a second. So I just means I designed YouTube thumbnails here. So I'll just show you how you can design this cover pictures. So I'll just go into this. I'll go on home and I'll just type here. If you need to design any other Instagram post, so just search Instagram post. First I'll show you this. uh, Size will be automatically there. You can just click on this, and when you click on the search option you will get a lot of templates here. Suppose you are preparing an Instagram post for an guitar workshop, so just type a guitar keyword in front of that and you will get a lot of templates here. So this tool works like this, and you need to just play around this tool. And today I'll show you how you can create, and I'll show the YouTube thumbnail. I'll create the YouTube thumbnail and show you how this tool works. So I'll see you can select a lot of templates from here, but I'll take the blank one and I'll show you how you can create this one. So yeah, now I'll choose the background as what was the background. Okay, I'll choose the orange one, which is my brand color. All right, I'll just show you a little fast. Just go into elements. Now this square I have taken from elements. This is a square. So I'll just go into elements and I'll just go into shapes and select a square. I'll just steal this. I'll increase the size of the square and I'll just paste it here. All right, I'll just change the color of this gray. Yeah, so now I need to add my photo. So I already have my photo in here. but I want to show you how you can remove the background of any picture. So I'll just jump into upload media device, and let me just check where is my photo. Hmm. Yeah, first we need to remove the background of the picture, so we can just go on a site which is remove.bg, and we can just remove the background of that. I'll just go here, and I'll just select this picture, or yeah, let's take this picture, and I'll just click on open, and the background will be removed, and I'll just click on the download button directly, and the you can see the background is removed. I'll just click on download, and now you can just go into this, and just take this and drop this here. I'll just select this image, I'll make it big, I'll flip this image. This is for this is just for your demonstration. The image which I have used here is the another one, so I'm just showing you how you can use and play around this tool. Yeah, so my photo is here with background removed. Now I need to add this text and more designs here. So I'll just go into text, and I'll just going to add a heading, and I have not decided in any heading for this particular video, but I'll just how to become a pro graphic designer. I'm just taking a random headline, and you can just drag this, you can make it small, you can just play around with this tool. I'll just increase this size. You can just go and change the font. I'll change take Montserrat. I'll just go here and choose the size. You can just choose the size. Now if you need to add any I'll just leave it like this. Now if you need to add any images here, like thumbnails here, so photos in the thumbnail, sorry, then you can just go into photos and just search here. Suppose I'll just add here graphic. Let's see what comes. So this is for pro version. You can try the pro version. It's you can just get this amazing high quality pictures, and you can also get a lot of features here. So I'll just take any one of picture just to show you. And if you have the pro version, you can just select this picture, go into effects, and just click on the background remover, and its background will be removed. So you can use that feature. If you are on the pro version, you can just click on the link in the description and check out the pro version. It just, I think so, something like 900 to 1000 per month, so you can just check. And yeah, so you can just tilt like this, then you can take like this any image. You can just add the images here, and yeah, so it's that simple. You can play around with this tool, try more features. You can add effects here. See, there are a lot of effects, text effects here. You can add spacing about the late for the letters. You can add line heights. There are a lot of features here, so you just need to play around with this tool, and you will get hang of it. So wait till the end, guys. I have some message for you.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end and investing couple of your minutes into this video. Now I think your social media is gonna go crazy and you are going to get a lot of eyeballs and your social media channels are going to look attractive and crazy. So to stay updated with such tools and to get more updates of digital marketing, do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload the video, you will get the notification. Also, the link of Canva is given below, so click on the link below in the description and try out this tool. This tool is so much crazy that I have been using this tool since past 1 year and I am using this tool for my clients and for myself. So just try out this tool. Link is given in the description and also do follow me on Instagram because I am going heavy on Reels and on Instagram carousels. So do follow me and also comment down below if you want a detailed tutorial on how you can use Canva more effectively. I am going to read your comments. So comment below and see you in the next video. Till that time, stay awesome and keep learning.